We are Sean and Pia with our three little dogs. Welcome to our van life where we travel with our storyteller overland to discover amazing places. On this episode, we show you a little of our day in a camping life at Yosemite National Park. Please like and subscribe, and we thank you all for watching.
What's up, everybody? We made it to Yosemite. We are doing a really quick dinner because it is cold. It's unfortunately not snowing. We booked this the week after. This is the week after Thanksgiving, December 6th, and we are hoping to be able to get some snow. There's still snow in the mountains, but it warmed up. So everything melted down here. It's a little muddy, but that's about it. We're in spot 47 in Upper Pines. We have our relatively new Devos light lighting up the area, which makes cooking a lot easier. And we're going to get going. So you said you prefer not to get the mat muddy?
Yeah, why?
Huh?
It's gonna get wet.
Yeah.
Well, you can use it.
Huh?
You can put it on if you think it's
No,
gonna make
no, I
it
think
better.
it should be fine. I'm sure. Because you know how it gets here, it just stays a little moist.
Yeah.
Okay, Boba, wanna go potty? Wanna go potty, Boba? Boba.
Okay, wait.
So you just want to have steak and rice and salad tonight?
Yeah. Yeah, that sounds good. You want buddy? Go buddy?
Come on, Boba. Yeah, honey got cold.
She did. What happened?
She was shivering. I brought her in. Come on, Boba. Come on, Boba. Yes. That's a good girl. Take care.
Yes, handsome boy.
You want kimchi with your rice?
Why are you not just
Because we don't need it outside. We're gonna be just cooking steak. Grogu. He's enjoying all the sounds of the campfires. Okay. Honey, you supervising? So we got the grill ready. We're gonna do a quick ribeye with some rice and salad. We got a couple other little munchies for a quick camping dinner. And tonight I think we're gonna hang out and watch some movies in the van, and tomorrow we'll be getting the fire going. And we got the steak marinated. Did some Montreal steak seasoning this time. I've been liking to mix it up. Lip action. Nice grill marks.
Hi everyone, we are here at Yosemite National Park. We're camped at Upper Pines Campground. We'll be here for a couple of nights. It is cold. It's the first week of December. It snowed about 2 weeks ago, but right now the temperature is about 40s. So the snow has melted, but it'll be cold. So it'll be about 50s, 60s during the day, and then it will get as low as 30 something at night. Our heat set at 65. Right now it's 69 inside the van. We started with 98% of our battery, our Volta battery. So now we're down to 90%. Sean is cooking outside. And so I think we have the Starlink up and running too. So that's why it's pulling so much power from our Volta. I'm going to get set up for dinner here in just a bit. I just fed the dogs, so they are quite happy and cozy. And after dinner, we'll get cleaned up and then head to bed. And we will show you guys around in the morning. Show you around the campsite. It's really dark out right now, so I can't show you too much, but stay tuned, and we thank you all for watching.
Good morning, everybody. We are here in Upper Pines, and it is chilly, but not too bad. No snow, as mentioned yesterday, and we've had a nice, cozy morning in the van. Getting our day lodge set up. for later. This is the queen bee. This is the first time that Grogu has been in the cold. But he's enjoying it. Grogu, say hi to everybody. Big dog, big dog. Big dog, big dog. Why is he shaking so much? What'd you see? What'd you see? Honey? Honey bun.
Hey.